What if I told you the most mind-blowing tech isn't sitting on a retail shelf yet? It's evolving in the shadows of innovation. Welcome to Gadget Burst, your ultimate destination for finding the gear that actually shifts the needle. No gimmicks, no vaporware, just next-level tools that belong in your kit. If you're ready to live in the future today, hit that subscribe button. And don't worry, every link you need is waiting for you in the description below. Still building PCs with a tangled mess of wires and heavy metal boxes? The future of gaming just went modular. This is Razer Project Ava. Imagine a setup where every component, GPU, CPU, storage, is a sleek plug-and-play module. No screwdrivers, no cable management nightmares. Just snap the tech you need into a liquid-cooled chassis that looks like it fell off a spaceship. It's a living, breathing ecosystem that grows as fast as your gaming demands. It's quiet, it's freezing cold under pressure, and it's completely transparent. This isn't just a computer, it's the last PC build you'll ever need. Think drones are the only way to play with robotics? Think again. Meet the DJI Robo Master. This isn't a remote-controlled toy, it's a high-speed, programmable ground tank designed for total domination. With omnidirectional wheels, it drifts, spins, and strafes with surgical precision. Use the built-in FPV camera to battle friends, or dive into the code to program custom AI movements and auto-target recognition. It's a masterclass in engineering that teaches you how to build the future while you're busy winning the war. This isn't just a robot, it's your entry into the world of tactical AI.
What if your bathroom mirror could tell you more than just how your hair looks? This is the Longevity Mirror, an AI-powered health station hidden behind high-definition glass. As you brush your teeth, it scans your vitals, analyzes skin health, and tracks your fitness progress over time. It doesn't just show a reflection, it provides a data-driven roadmap to a better version of you. Integrated sensors monitor your posture, heart rate, and even your stress levels, giving you a daily wellness checkup before you've even had coffee. This isn't just a mirror, it's a health consultant in your vanity. Still using that bulky, corded soldering iron that takes forever to heat up? It's time to upgrade your workbench. This is the Visual D01, the smartest soldering tool you've ever held. Forget guessing the temperature. The built-in OLED screen gives you real-time data and precision control down to the degree. It's pencil-thin, heats up in seconds, and runs on a Type-C connection, making it perfect for field repairs or intricate desk projects. Intelligent sleep modes, heat-resistant grip, and enough power to tackle heavy-duty joints without breaking a sweat. This isn't just a tool, it's precision surgery for your electronics. Tired of wrestling with tape measures and drawing messy floor plans by hand? Stop living in the past. This is the Hoso Misor 3D, a pocket-sized laser measurer that maps out entire rooms in seconds. Just stand in the center, pivot, and let the 3D sensors do the math. It captures distances, angles, and curves, then beams them directly to your phone to create a digital blueprint instantly. It's got a rolling wheel for physical surfaces and a laser for long distances, making it the most versatile measuring tool on the planet. This isn't a ruler, it's a professional architect in the palm of your hand.
The sun goes down, but your adventure is just getting started. These aren't your typical grainy binoculars. These are high-definition digital night vision goggles. Whether you're camping, scouting, or just curious what's lurking in the backyard, these give you a crystal-clear view in total darkness. Large internal screen, powerful infrared illuminator, and the ability to record 1080p video of everything you see. No more stumbling in the shadows, just flip them on and own the night. Lightweight, rugged, and built for the wild. This isn't just a scope, it's your tactical advantage after dark. Still typing on a boring, mushy office keyboard? It's time to bring some soul back to your desk. This is the 8BitDo Retro Mechanical Keyboard, a love letter to the golden age of gaming. It's got that iconic NES aesthetic, but packs modern mechanical switches that click and clack with pure satisfaction. The best part? Those massive programmable super buttons. Slam them to launch apps, mute your mic, or macro your favorite shortcuts. Wireless, wired, or Bluetooth, it connects to everything and looks better than anything else on your setup. This isn't just a keyboard, it's a nostalgia trip that actually boosts your workflow. Is your desk clock still just telling time? That's wasted space. Meet the Ulanzi TC001, the smart pixel display that turns data into art. This isn't just a clock, it's a command center for your digital life. Track your YouTube subscriber count in real time, monitor the weather, or set a Pomodoro timer to crush your goals. With its vibrant pixel grid, you can customize animations or sync it with your smart home for instant notifications. It's compact, rechargeable, and adds a futuristic glow to any setup. This isn't a timepiece, it's a live dashboard for your daily hustle.
Are you tired of your smartphone stealing your focus and draining your brain? It's time for a digital detox that actually works. This is the Muda Compact, the e-ink phone designed to give you your life back. No social media rabbit holes, no blue light eye strain, just the essentials: calls, texts, and high-quality tools that don't track your every move. It features a physical meditation switch to silence the world and a screen that reads like paper, even in direct sunlight. It's tiny, rugged, and lasts for days on a single charge. This isn't just a phone, it's your invitation to be present again. Still squinting at a tiny phone screen in bed? Flip your perspective. This is the MagCubic HY300 Pro Projector. It's a 180-degree rotatable powerhouse that turns any ceiling or blank wall into a 130-inch private cinema. No bulky tripods or awkward mounting, just swivel and shine. With Android 11 built in, you don't even need a laptop. Netflix and YouTube are ready to go. Auto keystone correction fixes the image instantly, and 4K support keeps your visuals razor sharp. It's small enough to toss in a backpack, but powerful enough to fill a living room. This isn't just a projector, it's a portable portal to your favorite worlds. Think RC cars are just for the driveway? Wait until you pull a 360-degree slide in your living room. This is the Ghoul RC Drift Car, a 1/16th scale 4WD beast engineered for one thing: getting sideways. It comes with 2 sets of tires, high-speed racing rubber for the track, and specialized slick wheels for perfect drifting. The 2.4 GHz remote gives you lag-free control, while the LED headlights make night racing a reality. It's fast, agile, and built to take a hit while you master the art of the drift. This isn't just a toy, it's a high-speed adrenaline rush on 4 wheels. Still balancing your drink on the arm of the couch and hoping for the best? Stop living on the edge. This is the Couch Console Tray, the ultimate modular hub for your downtime. It features a gyroscopic self-balancing cup holder that keeps your drink upright even if you jump during a game or a movie. Need a snack bowl? It's there. Need a spot for your remotes, phone, and charging cables? It's all organized in one sleek, portable unit. It's weighted to stay put and fully customizable for your perfect setup. This isn't a tray, it's the command center for your comfort. Still carrying around heavy notebooks and pens that run out of ink? Stop cluttering your bag. This is the AnyPen Notepod P1, the ultra-slim e-paper tablet that turns your handwriting into a digital powerhouse. It feels exactly like writing on premium paper, but with the organization of a supercomputer. Sketch, take notes, or annotate PDFs with zero lag and zero eye strain. It's thin as a feather, lasts weeks on a single charge, and syncs everything to the cloud instantly. No distractions, no notifications, just you and your ideas. This isn't just a notepad, it's your creative workflow evolved. Dealing with joint pain that just won't quit? Don't let it slow you down. Meet the Canaan Move Plus Pro 2.0, a medical-grade laser therapy wearable designed to heal you from the inside out. Unlike vibrating massagers that just mask the pain, this uses dual light technology to penetrate deep into the tissue, boosting blood flow and repairing damaged joints. It's modular, so you can strap it to your knees, shoulders, or elbows while you relax or work. It's the professional-level recovery tech used by elite athletes, now built for your living room. This isn't just a recovery tool, it's a reset button for your body.
Want a desk setup that looks like it belongs in a sci-fi masterpiece? This is the Elex Maker Clock, a stunning fusion of retro Nixie aesthetics and modern IPS technology. Each tube is actually a high-definition screen that you can customize with different fonts, colors, or even your own uploaded images. It's got that warm, vintage glow of the 1950s, but with the precision of a 2026 digital display. It's built with premium glass and metal, making it the undeniable centerpiece of any workstation. This isn't just a clock, it's a piece of kinetic art that tells the time. So yeah, those were today's most insane next-level gadgets. If you're a fan of tech that actually pushes the boundaries, you're in the right place. There is plenty more smart, strange, and useful gear coming your way soon on Gadget Burst. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe so you never miss a drop, and stay ahead of the curve. If any of these caught your eye, the links are waiting for you right now in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.